Welcome to the third day Zoom class of biology. In the last class, we have studied about the process of photosynthesis and some experiments which are related with photosynthesis. So yesterday we have completed the two experiments. One is hydrolysis experiment and another is the chlorophyll, the sunlight is essential for the process of photosynthesis. These two we have completed in the last session. So before going into the session, I have to give some instructions to you, right? So when you join in this Zoom conference, after entering into the conference, you should mute your audio and your video also you can off. So whenever I ask to open your video, then only you have to open. Because yesterday I saw that some person is traveling in the bus and he is watching this lesson by opening his video. So to avoid all this, just whenever I ask you to unmute your audio or open your video, then only you have to open your video, right? So now I will share my screen. So now I will start our next experiment. That is someone is unmuted their audio. Please mute. Someone is unmuted audio. We are getting disturbance. Mute your audio first. Then the next experiment which is related to our photosynthesis is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present in leaf. Is present in leaf. So the leaves are generally green in color. Yes, the leaves are green in color. Are you observing a board on your screen? Yes, anyone respond? Are you observing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What I am writing, are you seeing that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Here, this chlorophyll is present in the leaves. So that we have to prove the chlorophyll is present in the leaf. For that, we have to do one experiment. What happened? See here, this is the experiment. This is the experiment. For this, what are the apparatus required? For that, we need a Bunsen burner, a tripod stand that is with 3 legs, an asbestos gauge, boiling tube, methylated spirit, leaf, beaker, and water. So these are required, the requirements for the experiment. Yes, and for that you have to take a leaf and methylated spirit. right? What is the aim? The aim is to prove that the chlorophyll is present in the leaf. The aim of the experiment is the chlorophyll is present in the leaf. So first, you have to take a test tube. You have to take a tube. So this is the test tube. This is the test tube. And fill this test tube up to the half by methylated spirit. Right? Methylated spirit. And immerse the leaf. Immerse the leaf in this, and you keep it in a beaker in which the water is taken. So this apparatus is called as generally water bath. This apparatus is called as water bath. Keep quiet, Sagar, J. Pavan, mute your audio. Ankita, you also mute your audio. This is the water bath. Then keep this water bath on the tripod and boil it Bunsen burner. So this is the Bunsen burner. So this Bunsen burner is kept under this water bath, and we will boil the water. So this is a boiling water. So after some time, you remove. So you remove the test tube from water bath, and from the test tube you remove the leaf. Then that leaf will become white, or that is called as colorless. Color of previously the leaf was in green color. So when you boil this leaf in the methylated spirit, the chlorophyll is removed by the ethyl, that is a methylated spirit. Then the leaf becomes white. Then you take a petri dish. So you have to see the petri dish, how the petri dish is there. I will show. So here, so here, this is the petri dish. Right? This is the petri dish. See here, petri dish. This is the petri dish. This is the petri dish. Right? So here, keep this leaf in the petri dish. Keep this leaf in the petri dish, and with the help of a ink filler, you take iodine solution. So in the filler, there is iodine solution. This is the iodine solution. Then leave drops of iodine solution on this leaf. That is a colorless leaf. Colorless leaf. Then after adding this, the leaf turns into blue. The leaf turns into blue. Right? So what is this? Why we are doing this test? So this is the confirmation test. This is confirmation test. A test for starch. This is the confirmation test for starch. Right? So then how we will do the confirmation test? So here starch
class
plus,
now.
Unmute చేసుకోండి. Who are doing that? Unmute your audio. Don't unmute. So starch plus iodine. Then the leaf turns into blue or black color. It turns into blue or black color. This is the confirmation test for iodine. Right? So by this experiment, we are proving that the leaf, entire leaf turns into blue. Entire leaf turns into blue after adding solution. Hence, it is proved that. Hence, it is proved that the leaf has chlorophyll. Means the chlorophyll is present in the leaf. So this is the experiment. Today's first experiment, that is only to prove that there is chlorophyll in the leaf. So if you have any doubts, unmute your audio and ask me within 2 minutes. Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Then we will go for next. We'll go for a next experiment, that is carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Who is talking? Mute your audio. Otherwise, I will remove from this meeting. Mute your audio. Right. Carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. This is the aim of the experiment. This is the aim of the experiment. Then what are required? What are required for this experiment? One is a potted plant. One is potted plant. Then a broad mouthed test tube. So the requirements for this apparatus, one is a potted plant, second a broad mouthed test tube, then third a little amount of KOH, that is potassium hydroxide, fourth a split cork, then fifth is iodine solution. Here also iodine solution to test the presence of carbohydrates. Right? Then we'll see the experiment. How this experiment is. So this is the experiment. Are you observing this image?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the apparatus, arrangement of apparatus for this experiment. This is the potted plant. So when we are selecting the potted plant, the leaf should be narrow and broad like this. The leaf should be narrow and broad, right? Then this potted plant should be kept in darkness about 48 hours. Before the experiment, the selected potted plant should be kept in darkness about 48 hours. Why we are keeping this plant in the dark? It is only to discharge. Discharging means the starch is already produced in the plant, but that should be removed. So how that will be removed? The removal of the starch is nothing but dischargification. So here when we keep in the darkness, the further carbohydrates are not synthesized. Already synthesized carbohydrates are utilized for its purpose. By that, entire carbohydrates are removed from this plant by keeping this potted plant in the dark about 48 hours. Then when it is in the dark, then take a wide mouthed bottle or a wide mouthed test tube. Here we took the bottle, a wide mouth bottle, and inside the bottles here there is KOH. This is the KOH, that is potassium hydroxide. KOH means potassium hydroxide. Then a half leaf is kept inside the bottle and half leaf is outside the bottle. Half leaf is inside the bottle and half a leaf is outside the bottle. Then it is fixed in the bottle with the help of a split cork. Then this entire apparatus is shifted under the sunlight. The entire apparatus is shifted under the sunlight. After keeping this plant under the sunlight about 1 or 2 hours, we have to test this leaf for the starch. So what we have to first we have to remove this leaf from this potted plant. Later we will remove this leaf from the bottle. Then this leaf is immersed in the boiled water to remove the chlorophyll, and the leaf becomes white. Then again keep this leaf in the petri dish and add starch. See here. So after adding the iodine, the leaf is like this. So here half leaf is turned into blue. Half leaf, there is no change in color. So the part of the leaf which is outside the bottle, this is the outside the bottle. The part of the leaf which is outside the bottle turns into blue or black color. Then the part of the leaf which is inside the bottle, there is no change in color, because the iodine turns the carbohydrates into blue, means the blue color place. So this place is only with carbohydrates. This place is without carbohydrates. This place is without carbohydrates. Here, what is the reason? Here, this part receives sunlight, right? And this part receives water. This part contains chlorophyll, and it also taking carbon dioxide from outside. So the 4 requirements of photosynthesis are available to this part of the leaf. Hence the photosynthesis takes place and then starch is produced. Then this turns into blue. But what about this? Does it receive sunlight? Yes, through the bottle, it also receives sunlight. Then what about water? So if water enters into the leaf, it reaches the tip of the leaf. So water also available. Then the leaf is in green color. So again, chlorophyll is also available. Then what about carbon dioxide? My question is, what about this carbon dioxide? Because we kept this part inside the bottle. So here we took KOH solution. This KOH solution absorbs the carbon dioxide. This KOH solution absorbs the carbon dioxide. So hence the carbon dioxide which is inside the bottle is absorbed by KOH. This is not available to the a leaf. So the carbon dioxide which is present inside the bottle is absorbed by KOH. So there is no carbon dioxide to absorb by this part of the leaf. Hence there is no photosynthesis due to the absence of carbon dioxide. Due to the absence of carbon dioxide. So by this experiment, we have to prove that the carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis, right? So this is also called as moles. It is the name of the scientist, moles half leaf experiment. This is also called as moles half leaf experiment, right? So with this we have completed our second experiment, right? Then third experiment is Priestley's experiments. Priestley's experiment. So what is the Priestley's experiment? So Priestley, his experiments on the oxygen, right? For that, he took a bell jar. So see here. See here, this is the experiment conducted by Priestley. First, he took a candle and he lighted candle he kept here, and it is covered by a bell jar. So what will be our observation? After some time, this will be put off. Why? Because the oxygen present in this bell jar is utilized by this burning candle. So later the entire bell jar is filled with carbon dioxide. By that, this will be put off. And in the same way, he took a burning candle and a rat or a mouse under the bell jar. So here, after some time, the candle is put off and the rat also dies. Right? See here, the candle is put off and the rat also dies. But next, what he has observed that due to the lack of oxygen, the candle is put off and the mice also died. So next time, what he has done, that is he took a mint plant and a burning candle and a mouse, and he will cover with this a bell jar. He has observed that the candle burnt more than the previous experience, more time than the previous experiment, and the mouse also lives more than the time of the previous experiment. So by this, what Priestley has told, that this plant is refreshing the air. This plant is refreshing the air. So making fresh the air. Making fresh means in the terms of oxygen. This plant is releasing oxygen into the jar. So what is this? So here, by burning of the candle, the carbon dioxide is released, and by the respiration of the mouse, carbon dioxide is released. This carbon dioxide is utilized by the plant to perform photosynthesis, and then by photosynthesis it is releasing oxygen. So again, that oxygen is available to the candle and mouse. So here is a cycle between carbon dioxide and oxygen through this mint plant or plant. So this is the experiment, right? This is the experiment done by Joseph Priestley to show how the plants are purifying the air. How the plants are purifying the air. So this is about the 3 experiments which are related with uh, photosynthesis. Right. So here the first we have studied the chlorophyll is present in the leaf. First we have studied chlorophyll is present in the leaf. Second one is carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Then third one is Priestley. Name of the scientist, Priestley's experiment. So with this we have completed. With this we have completed the experiments which are related to the which are related to the photosynthesis. Now I am stopping to share my screen. Right. So here, right. So it is about 20 participants today. Increased number of parts. So now open your videos. All of you open your videos. Yes, this much. There are about 19. And one doubt that one person kept a message that he's not hearing my voice. Are you hearing my voice or not during that presentation? Yes. Answer me. Audible? Are you hearing my voice at the time?
Yes.
Akash, G. Sagar, Vishnu. Any doubts? If you have not understood any part of this session, you can ask now.
No doubt, sir.
No doubts? Isha?
No.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Where is Vishnu? Who? Yes, Vishnu. Any doubt?
Priestley's experiment is adi Priestley's experiment space lo కుదురుతుందా?
ఏంటి?
Priestley's
experiment yes,
space
it
లో
is.
వస్తుందా అంటే సరే యూజ్ లో మన స్పేస్ లో యూజ్ అవుతుందా?
It is. This is the experiment only to prove that the plants are releasing oxygen. By that only in that is restricted to only bell jar. Right? We cannot take these plants to in the space. Right? Okay. Any more? Alhana, where is Alhana? Yes, not observing Alhana. Yes, Alhana. Yes. Any doubt?
No, sir.
I think you have entered the class lately. Right?
Yes, sir.
All students are not opened their videos. It should be 20 on the screen. How many how many you are observing? So and one more thing, today I will give a Google Sheet based on this session, and you have to answer and send me. Right? With this, we will complete our Zoom session today. Okay? Are you satisfied with this, or are you getting any problem by attending this online class?
No, sir.
No, Harshita, what about you? Harshita,
Sir.
Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Rashmita, what about
No,
you?
sir.
Varshini?
No, sir.
Okay, right. So I think you have all understood very well this session, and tomorrow we'll meet you again. Yes, yes. Tell me, who is telling? Any doubt?
No.
Yes. Any doubt? Someone is asking. Okay, right. We will stop this meeting session here, and tomorrow again we'll meet again same time 2 p.m. with the digestive system in human beings. Right? Okay.